Welcome to your weekly reading. Let me share the information with you. I think you're going to know this first one. It's the Lover's card. Keeps popping up. The Justice card. And then the Nine of Wands. Now this one flew out of the pack, the Knight of Swords, so I'm including it. And we've got one other card I'll show you a bit later. So the Lover's card, you could probably tell me, probably by now. I think first and foremost, the angel there in the picture, meaning that through this time of expansion, acceleration, ascension, whatever you want to call it, we are being guided and protected. I know sometimes it doesn't feel that way when we look on the news or outside, but if you lift yourself, if you lift your point of consciousness beyond this game that we're playing, where we've got the duality and the time and the opposites, etc., we are being looked after and guided every step of the way. So that's really important. You are being protected, you are being looked after. The other thing with this that always comes through is this sense of union. It can be a union message, but reunion with your higher self, reunion with your soul, your heart. You know, that part of you, doesn't matter what you call it, but that part of you that resides within that oneness, that one big intelligence, infinite intelligence, God, whatever you want to call it, the divine, the universe. So it's reconnecting with that, it's reunion, it's touching that. And I know in my life, I'm just, some of the things I'm having like little glimpses and experiences of things that I've never experienced before, you know, where you're going beyond time and you're getting to touch your innate power, not just the power that we think of here, but your real incredible oneness power. So I know loads of you are having those like moments and glimpses. So this is more of the same, more of the same. So look out for them, look out for them. Be aware. And it's just incredible. It's so empowering. It's so magical. It really is magical. Now, this could also mean a choice or a decision. We were talking about that last week. So maybe big choices, big decisions this week. That might be so for some of you because we've got the Justice here. Justice for some of you may be you're getting the green light. You're getting some sort of judgment or answer. Now, with the Justice card, it means that it will be fair and just. Okay, so you know it's going to happen. It's a good outcome, but it's fair and just, very balanced and very even. So I think for some of you, as a result of this sort of information, it could just kind of be data. You've been waiting for some information, some decision, some go ahead. And as a result of that, you can now make a decision in terms of how to move forward and what to do next. So for some of you, this is choice for a decision. It could be new people coming into your world, in your life, and we always say that. It could be all sorts of different people, but it's really a soul coming into your life. So it could be animals as well. It's a soul where you have that deep connection, that deep understanding where you go beyond words with some of the relationship. You know, you can just understand each other. You don't have to use words. It could be a friend, it could be some sort of collaborative partnership, creative or otherwise. Just really lovely, gorgeous. But Justice, I like this. I really like this for some of you. This is where this comes in. I pulled this angel answer card and it says success. So for some of you, absolutely success this week. Something occurring, something happening. Some green light, something that allows you to propel forward, to move forward. With the Justice, you may be dealing with people in authority, lawyers, solicitors, government officials, you know, that civil servants, that type of thing. Could be accountants as well. But it's usually with this card, and especially with the others I've got here with the success, is that it's going to be in your favour. So it's a positive outcome, one that you've looked for. Now, I'm getting the sense for some of you, because this leapt out, the Knight of Swords, the Knight is change. Change is afoot. Things are happening. Things are moving now. And the swords, the Knight of Swords, means that it could be sudden. So all of a sudden you've been waiting, hoping, wishing, and then it comes in, bang. Here's your decision, here's your answer, here's your outcome, here's your judgment. And it's all systems go for some of you. It's like, brilliant, okay, let's go for it. And it change. So now, interestingly, I want to bring this in now, the 9, because the 9 says, one of the messages of the 9 of Rods is, don't be swayed, don't let people put you off, don't let them manipulate you in other, in any way, really. Whatever you are thinking about, whatever is right for you, whatever feels right, just keep on. Okay, that's what I feel like. Just keep on. Do not give up. Do not be swayed. Do not be moved, because you are so close to something. You are absolutely so close. I just feel like you're going to be successful with this, because sometimes when we're getting really close to something and maybe most things are there, but something comes along and, oh, I'm not sure, should I go for it? Should I finally jump, with 2 feet? Yeah, sometimes we can doubt, can't we? And this can sometimes come along with this one. Like, oh, I'm not sure. And at the last minute, we get swayed. We get persuaded to go a different route. And this is like, don't do that. Do not do that. Stick to your guns, because you're nearly there. You are nearly at the place you've always meant to be. Yes, that just dropped in. How interesting. I hope it's a really good week, and thank you so much for watching.